Hello everyone, this video is about compound angle and double angle formulas. In the MF19 we have these formulas. This is called the compound angle formula. This is the double angle formula. This is how to use it. So for if we have plus inside the brackets, then we use plus. If we have minus, we use minus. For example, sine 30 degrees plus 45 degrees, that will be sine 30 degrees cos 45 degrees. The A is 30, the B is 45 plus cos, the A is 30, the B is 45 degrees. If it's subtraction, again sine cos cos sine. For minus we use minus, and for the angles x pi over 6 x pi over 6. Sine cos minus cosine. And for cos compound angle, this time it's a bit different, plus in the compound and minus. Now minus plus plus minus for cos. So here we have cos sine For plus we have to use minus. And for the angles, the A is 30, the A is 30, the B is 60, the B is 60. If you have minus, here you have used plus, so the opposite for cos. And so we have cos plus sin or sin. So we have x pi over 3 x pi over 3. Now for the tangent compound angle, so for plus we use plus above, minus below. For A minus B we use minus, so minus also minus, but for the denominator it's plus, so it's always the opposite for the numerator and denominator sign. So here we have division line, tangent plus tangent over 1 minus tangent times tangent. And now for the pattern for the AB. If it's a subtraction, now let's start with the division line. So now we have also the same tangent, but this time we use minus above and plus below. Tangent. Now you plug in x 60 degrees, x 60 degrees. Now we have the double angle formula. For example, sine 2 times 45 degrees, that will be 2 sine, the A is 45 degrees, the cos 45 degrees. So sine x is the same as sine 1/2 x, but you multiply by 2, same thing. So this is the same as 2 times sine x over 2 cos x over 2. And 2 sine 2x cos x, well, if you just multiply this by 2 and then you multiply again by 1 over 2, you're not changing anything, but this is actually sine 2 alpha, so we have 1/2 sine 2, the alpha is 2x, so 2x times 2, we have 4x. Double angle cos 2 times 30 degrees, we can use this form cos squared 30 degrees minus sine squared 30 degrees, and we can also use, if we replace this cos squared with 1 minus sine squared, we have 1 minus sine squared, or maybe let's just use the formula in the FMF 19, so 2 times cos squared, the a is 30 degrees minus 1, or we can use 1 minus 2 sine squared 30 degrees. And this means we can rearrange a little here, cos squared x, so from this part you can move minus 1 to the left, so you have 1 plus, and then you divide by 2, so we have 1 plus cos 2x divided by 2, and for sine we can just use this form, sine squared equals 1 minus cos 2x divided by 2. Last one, double angle tangent, so it's just 2 tangent 30 degrees over 1 minus tangent squared 30 degrees. So tangent x can also be expressed similarly. We have 2 tangent 2 tangent x over 2 divided by 1 minus tangent squared a over 2, so x over 2. That's it. I'll see you again next time.